From all of my social medias, everyone is asking me about this hair cell, and I had to upload it as soon as possible so that everyone can see how it is, the hair extension that I use, and all the products that I have to use when it comes to these hair cell. So please, if it's your first time on this channel, I would want you please just click on that red button, ring the bell, so that we learn this together, and just make sure that you subscribe. As we do this, we always upload videos every week. I make sure that I upload a video for you. All right, yes, welcome from that. I hope I would get your like, and maybe if still you can share this video, because I know there are some people who want to learn how to do this hairstyle. So please drop your like, and if possible comment, and then don't forget to click on that red button, ring the bell. I told you, for us, we always upload videos every week, so this is how we do it on this channel. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and we're going to see on how to do the tangle twist. Yes, everyone have been asking me this hairstyle, how to do it, and I would like you to give me a time so that we can do it together. Number one, first and foremost, we're going to start with a hair extension that I use. If you have the Mali Kinky, it is perfect. You can use it, and those ones with the Afro Kinky, they can also still use the hair extension. So here we're using the molding gel, and you can use the Ozat gel, and others can use the molding gel. Others, it depends on the gel that you have. And the reason why we always use this gel is just to collect the hair together as we are braiding our hair. So this is the kinky that I'm going to be using. I've told you can use the Mali Kinky, so you just have to press it here, and then I part these into 3 portions. This is the way I want you to see, very careful. Then I just have to roll it this way, and I start plaiting just like this. You know, I always love my things to be as gentle as possible. Yes, I don't want you know, people fear to do kinky thinking that it is painful, but for me, I take it to be my best hair extensions that I always use, and they don't give me a hard time. And even to all my clients, you know why they love them? It's because it is very easy to maintain. Yeah, anytime you want, you can swim, and it dries as soon as possible. So this was that I'm going to explain to you. I want you to listen to me very careful concerning this hairstyle. Yes, we always do hairstyles, but there's some things that you need to understand, because now for me, when I made these, there's some things that I know that maybe some people would they would need to understand before doing this hairstyle, because if they don't, it might not come out very nicely. Number one, you should know how you're supposed to part your line. And number two is the hair extension that you're going to use. The volume of the hair extension that you're supposed to use. Remember, I've been telling you in my previous videos that the volume of the extension that we use is supposed to we have to make sure that it is the same, the equivalent to the volume of the hair that we are using. So you can't use the bigger volume of the hair extension and then you just add it on the small volume of the hair. So those two things have to be connected. So please, those ones, so I know there are some clients who love packed hair, but yes, sometimes it cause breakage of their hairline, just because they don't understand this. You find you overpacking the front, and yet the extension that you're using is bigger than the hair you have part. So it is very you have to be careful when it comes to that. So now here, this is how you add the hair extension. You see how I do it. It is just very slowly and gentle, not hard at all, just like that, and it is not painful. That's what I love from this hair extension. So when I'm done with that, you can see I'm using the inside knotless way. If I'm done with the inside knotless way, I have to bring this, and I tie it from the here, just like this. Yes, just like this. Make sure that is tight. Now, so when you're done with that, this is how it looks. You see how the beginning looks. It is very nice, and I love it since I use the inside knotless. You know, most of the times when you use the inside knotless, the hair grows from inside. You understand? The hair grows from, so it doesn't come out as soon as possible. So let's see how I join the hair. And this is how I join my hair. Then I pat down to 3 times. This one goes up. This is already down. So, and this side also comes this way. We have been doing this most of the times, and I believe most of you know how to use it, just like this. Then we start braiding from down. So these ones, I'm parting these big boxes just because of the hair extension that I'm adding. So it means if I was doing smaller, if my extensions were smaller, still I would have used the parting. My parting would be also small boxes, as you can see. So as we play it, you just have to first separate the 2 kinkies. So you first twist the first one with the hair, just like this. 1, 2, just like this. Slowly, you just have to add, make sure that the hair is added inside very well, and then just like that, you start twisting. You see how it is? You start twisting slowly by slowly. Yes, the way you can twist your hair, just like that. You see how it is? So after twisting, let's continue with the twisting. Make sure that the hair is all inside. So this is how you keep on twisting, like that. And you can need to add on the height. Still the same thing, you add it on. Yes, those ones who want it a little bit longer, so this is how you can also do it, this way, just like that. So after you're done, make sure that you make it neat by trimming all this to make it neat, just like that. You see, very nice. Okay, so remember the other side is also remaining, you understand? So if that side is remaining, you also twist it. You understand? You twist that side also, but still on the same braid. I hope you understand, because remember there were 2, I just joined them together. So I twist the first side, now the second side, but on the same braid, on the same part, on the same box that I made. So also this, I twist it well. So I make sure that they're all equal. Yes, I make sure they're all equal. So after I'm done, I'm just going to join them together. After you're done, you just have to join them together, just like this. So this is something that I believe that you guys can do it. Yes, just like that. And you can see how it is different from the twisting that we have been doing. So the tangle twist, this is how it looks. So guys, if you would want to learn it more, maybe I can repeat it for those ones who are slow learners. Yes, those are slow learners, and now here it is done. That's how it looks. So nice and very interesting. So at the first place, what we do, you just have to add in here like that. This is the most important part that you should always observe very well. If you learn how to do it, then it is going to cost nothing when it comes to this hairstyle. I think let me repeat to those ones how I join these. They are like these, there are two. So I just join them together like this. You understand? So when you join them together like this is how it's supposed to look like. So you hold it tight here. You understand? So after holding them, you just bring them this way after parting your 3 portions, and then just like that, you see. So I bring this down here, I hold it here, I bring my 2 kinkies, I just add them this way. Very perfect and gentle. No need to strain it, you just have to move with your body, doing it slowly by slowly, just like that. You see how it looks? You see how it looks? So I wonder why people keep on saying that kinky breaks their hair, kinky is painful. I really don't understand about that. I don't. This is how it looks. Perfect. I love it so much. So please, if you have any comment, just go right in my comment section, and please don't forget to like the video. If possible, share it. Yes, if you're still new here, make sure that you click on the red button, ring the bell. I told you, and I'm not going to forget this, that I'll be broadcasting live mostly, but to those ones who join my membership, yes, if you have a question to ask about hairstyles that I know, I can always do them for you live. Bye bye, see you in my next video. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. This is the tangle twist that I was telling you about. Bye bye, see ya.
Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out.